See, she was the queen of ants. Couple good ant jokes there for you. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you're working hard on the math. We're still working on surface area. We're going to do surface area of pyramids today. Okay, so you still have to know the area for triangles. Okay, don't forget the area for triangles is base times height divided by 2. Okay, your homework page is going to be 721. Your practice page, I'm going to do these first two problems here on 723. Let me tear these out so I can get closer in the camera so you can see. So we're going to do practice problems here. Okay. It says draw a net and find the surface area. A net is just a picture of what it is, if it's like folded out. Okay, so it has a base of triangle, and then it has a triangle coming off each base. Because if these folded up, they would form a pyramid. Okay, and then I'm just following the measurements here. This is the base, and I just kind of peeled it back. Okay, I peeled it back, and that's kind of how you draw the net. This is 4, this is 4, this is 4. The height of every triangle, where it shows you here, is 3.46. Okay, so to find my area of the triangle, I have to do 3.46 times 4 and divide that by 2. I get 6 92/100ths. 6 92/100ths. Each of these triangles is 6.92. Each of these. My base triangle is different because nope, my base triangle would be the same because there are 4 on the base and it's still high. So even this inside one would be 6.92. So I just have to take that times 4 because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. My answer would be 27 6800 centimeters squared because we're still doing area. It's always squared when we're doing area. This one you have to see is a rectangle on bottom. Okay, it forms a square. The square is 3 inches by 3 inches. Okay, and then each of the triangles come off of it to form the pyramid. And each of these triangles have a 3-inch side, 3 inch, 3 inch, and it's 3.5 high. So the height of it is 3.5. So to find your area of that, you have to take 3 times 3.5 and divide it by 2. Okay, each of these triangles is 5 25/100ths. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them the same, so we're going to times that by 4. And I get 21. But we can't forget about my rectangle inside. It's 3 by 3, and to get the area of a rectangle, it's length times width. So 3 times 3, you should end up with 9, which would be 30 inches squared for my total answer. Okay. Your homework page. You're going to do these on the back. Okay, sorry I didn't do this before, I forgot. Okay, so another practice one. Okay, you just have to envision this. You have to see the triangle on bottom here, and then I have one here, one triangle over here, and one on the front. 12 times 10.4 divided by 2 equals 10 times 12. 10.4 times 12 equals, divided by 2, I get 62.4. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles in all in that shape, so I have to multiply it by 4. My answer is 249 6/10 feet squared. Okay, so make sure you find all of them. Okay, these have rectangles on them. Okay, these are square bottoms, so you have to find the area of the squares and the triangles. Okay, just think about that shape unfolded, just like this is a net. This is the net of the shape. It's unfolded out, okay? But when it's folded up, this is what the shape looks like. On a triangle bottom, there's only 3 triangles out on every side. The area of a triangle is 48 feet squared. What is the height? Okay, so these are your assignments. You can get started on that. Okay, these are your problems 3 through 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, and 12 on page 721. The area of the triangle is 48 feet squared. What is the height? Okay, so you know the area. So you have to take the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2 to get the area. We know the base is 12. We don't know the height, and we know we divide by 2 to get 48. So you just have to do the opposite to find your missing. We're going to times 2 and divide by 12. So 48 times 2 divided by 12. My answer comes out to 8 feet would be the height. What are 2 ways you can represent the number 125 using the number 5? Well, if you knew 5 times 5 is 25 times 5, that equals 125. Another way to write that is 5 to the 3rd. Which net represents a pyramid? The only one that represents a pyramid that comes to a point is A. Hope you guys watch my video. Take your time, find out the area of all of them. Okay, now for your assignment, you only have 4 or 5 problems. Okay, good luck. What is the term used to describe any point where 3 or more edges meet? The vertice or the vertex. The vertice. So, good luck. Keep working hard. 6th grade, we're almost done. We're almost to the end. Miss you guys. Work hard.